how to lock apps on iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock apps on your iPhone so that you either need Face ID or your phone's passcode to be able to use certain apps on your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is find the app that we want to lock. It can either be on your home screen, or if you swipe all the way from right to left, you'll get to your app library and find it in there. Once you find the app, long press the app icon. And what you're looking for is require Face ID or require passcode. So once I select that, it'll give you some information about what that means, that you'll need to use your Face ID or your passcode to be able to use and open the app, and the notification previews will not be shown until the app is unlocked. So select require Face ID or require passcode. It'll quickly confirm, and once you do that, now when I go to open up the app, as you can see, it's trying to use Face ID to actually unlock the app so that I can actually use it. And until I unlock that app, I won't be able to use that app. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.